right here in the Amazon River here in South America. Now, do you know why this area is so special to Santa Claus? It's because of all the reindeer. You have 9.5 more minutes. Hang in there. Alright, around the corner here we are approaching Inspiration Falls. Now, we call it that because, apparently, the longer you stare at this, the more it inspires the usual holiday Grinches to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everyone give me an ooh. Ooh. Everybody give me an Everybody give me a fa la 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 la. La 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 la. It's like some of us did what we were doing there. That's alright, we're going to keep going. We're actually going to change both rivers and continents. We are now on the Congo River, deep in Central Africa. Now, right around the corner here, I was supposed to have this nice little holiday welcoming party for you. Unfortunately, the only people that are ever out here is all of my old fishing buddies, and I completely forgot that they were going to be out celebrating Veronica. It's the festival of bites. Yeah, Merry Fishmas. Happy New Year. I'll have to give them their gift later. So I got them this old tree over here. I asked them repeatedly to put a partridge in it, but, you know, all they did was just wrap it up and put a bow on top. Speaking of gift wrapping, we're going to stop by our gift wrapping department over here. Oh, come on! What is that? Don't you just hate it when your in-laws show up unannounced for the holidays? That's nice to see they got that sheet to turn over finally. Somebody must have gotten a monkey wrench in their stocking. Alright, we're going to move on to the Nile River. It's one of the longest rivers in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles. Right behind me here we have George. He's an African bull elephant. Now, for the holiday season, I actually taught him a brand new trick. I taught him how to sing. Check this out. This is pretty cool. George, give me a "Oh Christmas Tree." No, in German. Not a boy. Let's do another one. How about Silent Night? Walked right into that one, didn't I? Alright, around the corner here we got lots of animals gathering. Let's see, we got zebras, impalas, giraffes, those bearded cow things, and a pride of lions enjoying their favorite holiday meal, zebra on the rocks. I'm kidding. He's just pretending to sleep to avoid talking with his extended family. Besides, you have to have a lot of patience to pull apart a zebra. It's white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat. Stick with the turkey, folks. It's a lot simpler. Around the corner here, okay. Alright, so we've all heard of the North Pole, right? Well, I think we just found the equipment before we get run over by a giant rhino. Let's climb up this pole. You know, you gotta hand it to that rhino, though. I usually just bring pieces of popcorn together to hang up on my Christmas tree, but look what he did with it. Well, I gotta try that. A little awkward, though, isn't it? Alright, around the corner here we got some crocodiles. Now, the big one over there, that is Old Frost. The smaller one there, that's Ginger. So you gotta watch out for both of them. You know, ginger snaps, frostbite. Yeah, they're a bean there. I have no idea what to get them for Christmas. Everyone keeps saying they want a slow cooker. Personally, I think that's a crock. Right behind me here is Schweitzer Falls, named after the late famous explorer, Dr. Snow Falls. Hey, you try to come up with a Christmas joke for a waterfall. Now, I do need to let you know about all the holiday deals we got going on. Just yesterday, in fact, a bunch of skippers came to me saying we got half off an airplane. I was excited, and then I saw what they actually got. And not the first thing they messed up on, either. I asked them for one simple thing, hungry hippos. You all know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, they got me real hippos. What am I supposed to do with that? Where am I supposed to keep that? In my two-car garage? You know, a lot of people think that when they're blowing bubbles like this, that they're getting ready to attack. That is not true. This time of year, the water's very cold. That's actually how they regulate their body temperature so they don't get hypothermia. You know, there is one thing that I just don't care for during the holiday season, and that is all the Christmas caroling. Although that's mainly because I'm tired of listening to our holiday choir over here. Yeah. 10 months of rehearsals, I still have no idea what they're singing. Choir of 7. Where are the other 2? Yeah, there's always this pair that just wander off together all the time. You don't see them anywhere? What's over there? Oh, no, come on! Those were not your gifts. You can't just open up someone else's present. I'm so sorry about this. I feel so embarrassed. Now little Timmy's not going to get that steel kit that he wanted. Alright folks, here's what you came on the Jingle Cruise to see. I give you the awe-inspiring, the one, the only, Frosty the Snowman! Oh. It's been a really warm winter. Alright, over here, this is our last river, the Mekong River, deep in the heart of Cambodia. And the location of Santa's secret workshop? Okay, now I don't want to alarm anybody, but have y'all noticed the tiger that's been stalking us along the beaches? He just went in the workshop. I know it's the same tiger, too. He's got sandy claws. Oh, they're not going to get any better. Welcome to the Jungle Cruise. And then look, there he is. Family's been here for several hours. There's my sister, still in the shower. And of course, there's the family joker. Let me guess, it's the crazy old uncle, am I right? Yep, all the time. Well, here he is. Yeah, does yours act like this too? Stop it! Yeah, he always thinks he's so funny too, doesn't he? You know, when he starts doing stuff like that, here's what you gotta do. Whoa, 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 no! That is not what I meant when I said shower us with gifts. Don't even think about it. Drop it. Don't encourage them. You know, everyone thinks there's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. Yeah, think it through. Well, folks, no trip to the jungle would be complete without a visit to the gift shop. Don't look at me like that. That's how we end everything around here. You know, we should have seen this part coming now. We went out to do some holiday shopping, and then we ran into the holiday traffic. Now we have to figure out a way to awkwardly stall for time.
Christmas carols.
No, I don't like the Christmas carol. Weren't you listening earlier? You know, if y'all look behind you there, you'll see where we were. Oh, I could point out some of my favorite plants while we're just sitting out here. Okay, you look right over here at the very top of this hill. I like that one. There's the one right down below it. That one's kind of neat. Oh, there's that tree like one at the back with the bark there. Love that one. That one's probably my favorite. Oh, maybe not. That green leafy one right over there alongside the water's edge. That one's starting to grow on me too. Any questions about those plants? You got a question about the plants? What's that? Well, that one back there is a tree. These other ones here, they just sort of come up from the ground. Kind of short. That one over there, that's kind of Mediamite. I don't know. Alright, folks. Well, as we approach the gift shop here, Trader Sam is going to have a lot of the... Oh, right, I forgot. Okay, so for the holiday season, he's insisting that we call him Trader Sam Ta. Yeah, whatever, right? You know, I do have to say this, though. That is the most civilized holiday shopping I've ever seen in my life. Well, out of all of my crews today, you have definitely been the most recent. Unfortunately, though, we are approaching the most dangerous and annoying part of the holiday season. The attempt to find a parking space. Now, as you're around the corner here, you're going to see two docks. You're going to see a dock on the left and a dock on the right. That confuses everybody. That's called a paradox. As we approach, please keep your hands and arms inside the boat. We don't want you to experience any peer pressure. Yeah, that's never really a good thing. For those that are sitting over here on the water side of the boat, that's this far side right here, please exit out the back door. Do not cross over these center boxes right here, okay? You're liable to trip and fall. And I would really hate to see you have two bad trips in the same boat. I am only responsible for the first one. Lower your head and watch your step. Should you miss your step or hit your head, please lower your voice and watch your language. Yeah, this kid's all over the place. Kids are always wearing those big ears too, aren't they? Whatever. Alright, did everyone have fun? Oh, good, me too. But I had so much fun, I think I'm going to do it again. About every 10 minutes for the rest of my life. Kids, stay in school. I'm kidding, my parents are very proud of my sister. She's a doctor. I wanted to be a doctor, I just did not have the patience. Well, folks, you've been great. You've been outstanding. You guys have actually become just like family. But, you know, just like family, especially around the holidays. 10 minutes is enough. In a minute, I'm going to need you outstanding on that dock. Please remain seated until we come to a full and complete stop, and then you're going to exit the exact same way that you entered. Tired, confused, and thinking it was Pirates of the Caribbean. We know where we stand. Alright, I enjoyed having you all. I hope you all enjoyed being had. You know what I mean. Now, oh, I completely forgot to do the New Year's joke. Sorry guys, I dropped the ball on that one. That's where you drew the line, huh? Okay. Well, folks, one last thing on the count of three. Big thunderous round of applause. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.